Can habeas corpus limit a judge's power? Imagine a legal tool that can challenge the authority of a government or a court to detain an individual. This tool is known as habeas corpus, a Latin phrase meaning, "you shall have the body." It serves as a safeguard against unlawful detention by allowing a person to petition a court to determine whether their imprisonment is lawful. But how does this powerful legal mechanism interact with a judge's authority? Does it restrict or influence their ability to make decisions? Habeas corpus is fundamentally a writ issued by a court to bring a detained individual before it and examine the legality of their detention. When a person files a petition for habeas corpus, the court reviews the circumstances surrounding their confinement. If the detention is found to be unlawful, the court can order the person's releases. This process acts as a check on executive or judicial actions that may violate constitutional rights or legal procedures. In terms of limiting a judge's power, habeas corpus does not diminish their authority to interpret laws or make rulings. Instead, it provides a framework within which they operate. Judges are empowered to scrutinize the legality of detention and ensure that constitutional protections are upheld. When a habeas corpus petition is filed, the judge's role is to evaluate the evidence and legal arguments presented. If the detention complies with the law, the judge can deny the petition. If it does not, the judge can order the person's releases or remand. Habeas corpus acts as a constitutional safeguard that enhances judicial oversight rather than restricts it. It ensures that detention is not arbitrary or unjustified, reinforcing the rule of law. The power to grant or deny a habeas corpus petition is an exercise of judicial authority rooted in constitutional principles. It does not override a judge's discretion but guides their decision-making process to prevent unlawful imprisonment. Therefore, rather than limiting a judge's power, habeas corpus expands their role as protectors of individual rights. It provides a legal mechanism to challenge detention and ensures that courts can intervene when fundamental rights are at risk. In this way, habeas corpus strengthens the balance of power among branches of government and upholds the principles of justice and fairness.